Most people get this wrong when using cash advance apps. They think it's free money or a long-term solution to financial problems. Here's the truth no one tells you. Cash advance apps like FloatMe are designed for short-term emergencies, and understanding how they work can save you a lot of frustration. In this video, you'll learn exactly how the FloatMe cash advance feature works in 2026, who can qualify, how repayment works, and the biggest mistakes you should avoid before using it. Let's get straight to the answer. FloatMe is a financial app that offers eligible users access to small cash advances before payday. The process is designed to be simple. After creating an account, you'll connect your bank account so the app can review your income patterns and account activity. For example, let's say John gets paid every 2 weeks. A few days before payday, he realizes he's short on money for gas and groceries. If he qualifies, FloatMe may allow him to request a cash advance that gets deposited into his account. But here's the problem. Many people assume everyone gets approved immediately. That's not how it works. FloatMe typically evaluates factors such as banking history, regular income deposits, account activity, and overall eligibility requirements. The amount available can vary from person to person. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The approval process is usually automated. Once your account is connected and verified, the app determines whether you're eligible and how much you may be able to access. This means Alex and Jake could have completely different advance limits even if they use the same app. Another important part of the process is repayment. In most cases, the advance is repaid automatically from your linked bank account when your next paycheck arrives, or on the scheduled repayment date. This is where most people fail. They borrow money without planning for repayment. If you're already struggling financially, having money automatically withdrawn later could create another cash shortage. That's why it's important to use advances only when necessary and understand exactly when repayment will happen. In a minute, I'll show you who benefits most from FloatMe. FloatMe is generally best for people who occasionally need help covering small expenses between paychecks. Think of situations like avoiding an overdraft fee, paying for transportation, or handling a minor unexpected bill. However, if you're looking for a large loan, long repayment terms, or a major financing solution, FloatMe probably isn't the right tool. It's designed for small short-term cash needs rather than long-term borrowing. So how does FloatMe Cash Advance work in 2026? Connect your bank account, meet the eligibility requirements, request an advance if available, and repay it according to the app's schedule. The key takeaway is simple. Use cash advances responsibly, understand the repayment terms, and treat them as emergency tools rather than regular income. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing your experience with FloatMe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.